If you have a 5th Gen Camaro and want to put links on those 5.0 Mustangs, you need nitrous. More specifically, you need the Nitrous Express 5th Gen Camaro Plate System. This system is able to add 225 horsepower straight to your rear wheels. In this system, we include a TPS Autolearn switch so that the nitrous only activates at wide open throttle and automatically turns off when you let your foot off the accelerator. One of the highlights of this system is our Spraybarless billet aluminum throttle body spacer plate. This plate includes our top-of-the-line Spraybarless technology for the ultimate in atomization and distribution. The billet plate bolts between the throttle body and intake, making installation quick and easy. Our LS3 plate system is the thinnest plate on the market, which allows you to install this system on your vehicle without relocating anything or having to flip the throttle body over. It truly is a bolt-on nitrous system. The solenoids are even integrated into the plate for a super clean look with no need for additional lines or mounting brackets. If you purchase your system with a bottle, we include our industry exclusive Lightning 500 bottle valve. So if you have a 2010 to 2015 V8 Camaro, you need nitrous, and this is the system for you. For more information, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.